A capstan is a vertical axled rotating machine developed for use on sailing ships to apply force to ropes, cables, and hawsers. The principle is similar to that of the windlass, which is a horizontal axle. History: the word, connected with the Old French capstan or capstan, from Old Bravina section L capstan, from capesta pulley cord, from Latin capistrum, a halter, from caper, to take hold of, seems to have come into English from Portuguese or Spanish shipmen at the time of the Crusades. Both device and word are considered Spanish inventions. Early form equals. In its earliest form, the capstan consisted of a timber mounted vertically through a vessel's structure which was free to rotate. Levers, known as bars, were inserted through holes at the top of the timber and used to turn the capstan. A rope wrapped several turns around the drum was thus hauled upon. A rudimentary ratchet was provided to hold the tension. The ropes were always wound in a clockwise direction. Later form equals, capstans evolved to consist of a wooden drum or barrel mounted on an iron axle. Two barrels on a common axle were used frequently to allow men on decks to apply force to the bars. Later capstans were made entirely of iron, with gearing in the head providing a mechanical advantage when the bars were pushed counterclockwise. One form of capstan was connected by a shaft and gears to an anchor windlass on the deck below. Modern form equals, modern capstans are powered electrically, hydraulically, pneumatically, or via an internal combustion engine. Typically, a gearbox is used which trades reduced speed, relative to the prime mover, for increased torque. Similar machines, in yachting terminology, a winch functions on the same principle as a capstan. However, in industrial applications, the term winch generally implies a machine which stores the rope on a drum. Use on land. Hydraulically powered capstans were sometimes used in railway goods yards for shunting, or shifting railcars short distances. One example was Broad Street Goods Station in London. The yard was on a deck above some warehouses, and the deck was not strong enough to carry a locomotive, so ropes and capstans were used instead. See also, capstan equation. Notes. References, Etymology online.